this is Leslie.
And Lexi.
Here at Light Elegance headquarters in Redmond, Oregon. Today, we're going to give you guys a little bit of insight on what's coming in the next year. We have a new campaign, and it is,
What's Inside Matters.
that is such a great saying because that is all about what we believe in at Light Elegance. What inside matters, that jar that you get, that bottle that you get, what inside matters. What inside, how we think, how we have you in our family, it all matters. What's inside of us all matters. So,
And this campaign is off of 3 pillars. It's chemistry, quality, and community.
I love it. And it shows it in our catalog. We've already kind of started
So in the first page here, it's the What's Inside Matters, and it kind of breaks down the 3 pillars of what lives in the RBF, which is our logo. So if you don't have a catalog in your next order, ask for one, and we will give it to you.
Exactly. So we're going to start with chemistry, which is the first pillar.
And I feel like this is really our bread and butter.
This is our DNA.
Yes.
I mean, this is who we are because Jim McConnell, the chemist, started this. And what I like about the chemistry, we're one of the only companies out there that truly manufactures. So not only do we think of what we want to make or invent, we make it here. So we all have the knowledge of the chemistry. So when you come to us, you, the nail professional, which we value so much, comes to us and asks us a question, we can answer the question why. And if we can't at the moment, we can go to the chemist.
Yep.
Another thing that we have coming up that the nail professionals are going to be able to watch is
Jim's doing a series called The Chemist Corner.
woo, that's going to be exciting.
So he's going to focus on a particular subject about lamps or about a product or about
different things that are in
allergies.
Yes, exactly.
And he's going to focus on something and talk about it in his chemist brain, which is going to be really fascinating and knowledgeable.
Yes, and interesting. He makes chemistry interesting.
Yes.
So look for a lot of things coming your way through the chemistry. Next is quality. My gosh, quality is extremely important.
So important.
Every time you order a product, it needs to be the same. It has to, we have
Consistency.
Consistency, isn't it so true, Lexi? We have the highest standards here. We check things over and over. Since we actually manufacture them here, we have control over that. We don't just get some product from somewhere else and put our label on it and send it out. We quality control everything. So,
And you go back there and you hand test every color on your nails.
Color is so important.
It's amazing. I've been watching her go back and just shadowing it for the last couple years, and she's just like, needs a little blue, needs a little white, and she just nails it to make sure that you are getting that same color every single time.
It's important. You're the nail professional. This is all about what matters, what inside matters, and that means serving you guys and your end user client because they know when a color's not exactly the same. Correct?
Yes.
So we have quality
And quality in our education and quality in showing, having Dean Darcy here and having her sit and actually show the quality of the product.
Everything.
And quality of the videos.
Quality of everything.
Yes.
And the education brings the quality of our knowledge up more also.
So another thing to look out for, new videos from Dean Darcy.
Yes.
Next pillar.
Is community, which is so important. That's
you guys.
That's all of us together. And so this is going to be really fun. The round bottom flask, which is our logo. You see all these faces in here. Soon, we're going to be asking for some pictures.
We're going to run a contest.
We want you guys to have your face in there.
Yes, so you guys can be featured in an ad. So there's a lot of that fun content that's going to be coming out.
Right.
But our community, you guys, us as an LE family, so important to us. That's probably our biggest backbone is because we couldn't do this without you guys. The nail professionals, the people in the salons using our product.
Hearing back from you. So we have the chemistry, we have the quality, and we have the community.
I'd say it's a home freaking run.
It is, and it's all about what's inside matters.
It is.
And so anyway, stay tuned for lots of exciting things.
Yes, high five.
Yeah, baby.
So thank you guys.
Bye.
Bye.